Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, I got a new mic. Hopefully, it sounds a bit better. And as you can see by the title, I blew an account today. So I'm going to go through this trade recap and show you how I blew that account. So bias was bullish coming into today. We were in a market maker buy model. We had these stacked highs. I was bullish until this high. And ES at this time, let's remove this. I was bullish until here on ES. Not here. That wasn't really important, but here. That was the objective on ES. So market open, there wasn't a lot of high time frame gaps as key levels. There's no 4 hour gaps. There was a 1 hour gap here, but it was already mitigated. So I could have seen as this as a rejection block. We had a couple data lows as well. Show you them. So we had one at 5 o'clock, big wick, 1 minute wick, and here we had a huge candle here. So two data lows, which I wanted to see get swept market open. So anyways, let's get into this. Market open, we manipulate up. Sorry, let me remove that. I was just testing something. So as you may have seen, there was actually a great short market open. We come up, we hit this 1 hour, even though it was an overall bullish bias. Shorts were great because the data lows. Sorry, that wasn't a data low, but it was like a 9:30 wick. So the two data lows here inside of 1 hour. And what made this even a better short was ES at this point completed its buy model. So there was a huge SMT show. As you can see there's a 30-second inverse fair value gap after hitting the 1 hour and completing the buy model on ES. We get that 30 second and we dump, and you could have TP'd at this 5 minute, or you could have held for a 1-to-1. Yeah, 1-to-1 around that 5 minute. Or you could have held to the 9:30 low, but personally, if I took this, which I didn't, I only saw it after it happened. I only saw it like a few minutes ago. You could have held to the 9:30, but honestly, if I took this, I would have definitely taken it to the 5 minute since we're bullish overall. But if you took that, well done. Great, great trade there. And so from here, I wanted longs, but I needed the at least this data low to get hit, or else I needed to go up higher and they get a continuation. I wanted to be very far away from these data lows before taking a long. So top on the 1 minute. Boom, 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 because as I showed before, high, high, and then we have a bunch of stacked highs here, which looked really good for longs. So I'm gonna mark this one out. Sure, we end up taking that first one. I was looking for a 5 minute, but we mitigate the 5 minute after taking that. But then we still have loads of highs here. Yeah, so they were like equal highs. Here's our next high. So we mitigated that 5 minute. Let me just see where my entry was. I entered somewhere. It's in 1 minute, I think. Oh yeah, so I entered off this 1 minute. So honestly, I think it was a pretty good trade. Boom. And went for like a 1-to-1 because of all these stacked highs here. I would have went break even here at this high, that high, this high. Relative equal highs, like 5 points apart. Honestly, I think a great trade. I think the only thing was these data lows, maybe. And something crazy happened like 20 minutes after this. I'll show you. 15 minutes. So, anyways, that came, chopped around. Yeah, took out my stop loss. And now I was looking for another long because we swept the intermediate low. and we tapped this 15-minute perfectly. 15-minute order block as well, right there, and 30-minute order block, 1 hour order block. So this would have been a great long, but we never got it. So we opened a 5-minute, 5-minute right there, and the market just shat the bed. Look at that. This happened in like 1 second, couple of seconds. Look at that. What the fuck is this? Volume imbalance. Brother, let's check the 1 second chart. Look at it. Oh my God. Yeah, so I'm glad that 5-minute didn't close because I would have taken that shit. Um, on my other account. So yeah, so it was a Trump tweet. Iran, they broke the ceasefire or something. What was it? Or the ceasefire is off. So that's why the market shut the bed. But I got off after that, obviously, because that's just outrageous. And yeah, shopping around now. So took a loss, but I don't really give a fuck because last week I gambled an Apex account. I don't recommend doing it, but I had a 100K Apex that I bought like a month ago, and it was going to expire in 2 days. So I was like, fuck it, let's gamble it. And I took some stupid trade, and it worked out. So I passed that. So I'm on the funded stage of that. Haven't hit my buffer, obviously, but yeah, we're gonna work on that next week. It's zero balance, so it's a fresh start. I'm gonna risk 750 to the 100K, so it's 3,000 drawdown. So I'm gonna risk 750 a trade, which is 4 losses in a row. Which, if I perform the way I do in backtesting in my 2021, I should never get 4 losses in a row. I think the max I've gotten is like 3 losses. I don't know if I've even got 3 losses, maybe even 2 losses. So if I perform this way, I will for sure, I will for sure be getting that buffer. It could take a couple of weeks, could take a month, but I'm gonna stay patient. It's a very good opportunity for me. I got lucky. I passed the eval, so I really need to stay patient. Just take A plus setups, and if the market is in shitty condition, just leave because I am just screwing myself if I don't. Let me just show you my stats. So actually go through here and see what was my max loss. So 2 losses in a row there. Made that back the next week, but 2 losses in a row. One, two, three losses in a row. Okay, it's probably going to be just three. Three is my max. One, two, no. Yeah, so 3 losses in a row is my max so far. But it's not like that much data. It's a good amount of data though. It's 8 months, 7, 8, 9 months, almost 10 months. So I'm looking to get 2021 to 2025 done. So this is 2021 nearly done. I'm gonna skip to 2025 next when I finish this, just so I'm practicing newer data, just newer market. I think that's better. But yeah, guys. Anyways, thank you. If you want to get trades out of it, it's a great backtesting software and a journaling software. I'll leave a link in my description for 20% off, and I get a bit of money if you sign up using that link. And let me know if you took that short market open, and if you did, you're a fucking legend because that was a beaut, absolute beaut. SMT, boom, remanipulation. If you took that, well done. You're doing good. I didn't even see it. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching to the end, and leave a comment, leave a like if you like, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one.